One day we will discuss how girls allow their friends to be sexually harassed, ubumnandi, just for free drinks. We will discuss how many times before a night out your friends had said to you, "Hi, mara guys nyamazi uzofuna ngilale naye," and your friends made you call the guy anyway. We will discuss how your friends are okay with you paying with your body so that they may enjoy a night out as VIPs at some clubs or events. We will discuss the kind of crap without even doing a background check on a guy to know if he's good or bad. And we will also discuss the asambese party kind of attitude, and knowing that you don't have your own cash, but in Tebubambi jazz. But for now, you're not ready for that conversation. Since you haven't done an introspection, since you are throwing blame or laying blame to others, but that time will come.